How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I have my Truhart shocks. The springs I bought them a long time ago. I think they're Falcon or something like that. I really don't remember. I think this drop is around 1 3/4 or 2 inches drop. Don't remember, but they already sit. The car used to look really good with those. I'm gonna clean this set right now, and then I'm gonna post them on Facebook so somebody local can pick them up, probably for like 80 100 bucks. Let's see how much I can get out of it, because I'm not gonna use them. The important thing about this setup is that those shocks are especially made for lowering vehicles, which means the piston inside is shorter, and when you lower a car with the stock shocks, those cars are bouncing a lot and the ride is really crappy. That's because when you lower a vehicle with the stock shocks, the ride height change. It's gonna handle bad. It's gonna feel really bumpy and bad. But when you change to a ride setup like these Truhart shocks, the ride quality it changed a lot. And I never complained with this setup. It was really good. So let me clean them, get them ready for sale, and if you're interested and you're a local and you want to drop your car just a little bit, you can pick this up. By far, this is one of the best degreasers. Have less than half now. I'm gonna have to get the big bottle, the 1 gallon probably, because I really like it. For tires, I use it. I use all-purpose cleaner first, but then I use the degreaser. Everything came out really easy. All the grease and grime from these shocks. It's for sale. Local pickup only. I'm gonna put them on my Facebook. Bullet Solano, you want to check it out. And if you're local and you want to drop your car, not a lot, but back in the day my car used to look good with these ones, so probably I let them go for cheap. And that's it for this episode, guys. I just tried to show you my shocks. They're for sale. This product amazing, and they're really clean. They look really good, still in good condition. They're not bad. The shocks are still on very good condition. Truhart made good products. The springs are old. Probably these ones are like 5 years old, but they're still in really good condition. Really strong still. So guys, that's it for this episode. You wanna pick them up if you're local, I'm gonna put them on Facebook, or just contact me on my email, bulletsolano36@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.